From raw cotton to iconic Levi's prill, witness the journey in seconds.
Welcome to the Levi's factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how America's most iconic jeans are made.
It all starts with premium cotton, sourced from trusted farms. Every pair of Levi's begins with simple cotton, grown under the open sky. At the gin, raw cotton is cleaned and prepared for the fabric that will become denim.
These massive cotton bales are shipped to specialized denim mills.
The cotton fibers are opened and purified for maximum consistency.
Carding machines align every cotton strand to create perfect uniformity. This is where soft cotton becomes strong, durable denim yarn.
The unmistakable Levi's blue begins in massive indigo dyeing vats. Each dip deepens the signature Levi's indigo tone.
Multiple dips into indigo give Levi's denim its iconic deep blue. The indigo and white yarns are woven together to create traditional Levi's denim.
Freshly woven denim arrives at the cutting floor, ready to take shape as Levi's jeans. Multiple denim layers are aligned with precision to cut dozens of identical pieces at once. Computer-guided patterns ensure every pair of Levi's is cut with absolute accuracy. A razor-sharp blade carves out the components that will become Levi's jeans. Every cut piece is sorted and prepared for assembly at the sewing lines.
Even at this early stage, Levi's iconic pocket shape begins to take form.
Hundreds of sewing stations bring each denim panel together with flawless precision.
The world-famous Levi's arcuate stitch is carefully sewn using golden thread.
Front panels come together piece by piece, each pocket reinforced for long-lasting durability. The denim panels are stitched together, forming the classic silhouette of Levi's jeans.
Copper rivets reinforce the jeans, a Levi's invention dating back to 1873. The waistband and belt loops are added, completing the iconic structure of Levi's jeans. Every Levi's wash begins with precision-controlled stone tumbling to soften the denim. Enzymes break down the denim fibers, creating that signature soft Levi's feel. Artisans and lasers combine to create Levi's signature whiskers and lived-in character.
Computer-controlled lasers deliver perfect fade patterns without damaging the denim.
A final rinse and careful drying create the perfect balance of softness and durability.
Every pair receives human finishing touches to ensure the iconic Levi's look.
Each leather patch is heat-stamped to deliver the classic Levi's identity. Levi's rivets are engineered for lifelong strength and durability. The famous red tab is stitched with millimeter precision on every pair.
This timeless arcuate stitch defines the Levi's identity.
Every detail is refined before the jeans move to inspection. Tagging ensures authenticity and full traceability of every pair. Each pair is folded and packaged with pinpoint accuracy. Branding is applied with precision to every shipment. Every pair is inspected to meet Levi's world-class standards. Secured pallets ensure safe delivery across global markets.
The warehouse sorts millions of pairs with flawless logistics.
From this facility, Levi's jeans travel to every corner of the world.
Subscribe now to explore more amazing behind-the-scenes factory stories.
See how Levi's jeans come alive. Every detail, every second.